All right, let's look at the next one. 4n squared plus 11n minus 3. So my options here are 4n times n. That gives me 4n squared. Or 2n times 2n. What are my options to multiply to get 3? 3 times 1. Okay, that makes it a little bit easier. So let's try 3 and 1. What do I get when I multiply 4n times 1? 4n and 3n. Does that work? No. Let's try 1 and 3. I get 12 and 1. Will that give me 11? Yes. The 3 is negative. That means one of the numbers has to be negative and one of them has to be positive. If I want positive 11 from 12 and 1, which one has to be positive? The 12 has to be positive, so that means this has to be positive, and the 1 has to be negative, so it's minus 1 in my answer, 4n minus 1 times n plus 3. Okay. Okay, the next one is 10x squared minus 3x minus 27. So my options for 10 are 2x and 5x, or what? 10x and x. So let's see. How can I multiply to get 27? 9 times 3 or 27 times 1. Well, let's try the smaller numbers first. So I'm going to start with the smaller numbers, 9 times 3. Let's try that. What do I get here? 9 times 2, or 3 times 2 is 6x, and 9 times 5 is 45. Is that going to give me 3? No. Okay, so that doesn't work. Try it the other way around. 5x and 9. So I switch the 9 and the 3. I get 9 times 2 is 18x. 3 times 5 is 15x. Can that equal 3? Yes, and I need it to equal negative 3. So the 18 has to be negative. The bigger one will be negative. So 2x plus 3, 5x minus 9. Okay, are we getting better? You guys think you're just about ready to do these on your own? No. One more? Let's look at the last one. How many ways can I get 6? 2 times 3, 6 times 1. So I have 2x, I'm sorry, not x, 2y, and 3y. We'll try that first. Ways to get 4. 2 times 2, 4 times 1. So let's try 2 times 2. I need to get 5, right? So I get 4y and 6y. Will that ever equal 5? No. Does it help to switch the 2's? No. So let's try 4 times 1. 2x and 3, sorry, it's y's. So I'm putting in, try 1 and 4 like this. I get 8y and 3y. Will that give me 5? Yes, that'll give me negative 5 if which number is negative? The 8. The 8's negative, it'll give me negative 3. I'm sorry, it'll give me negative 5. So I get 3y minus 4 and 2y plus 1. And then just make sure that the last two numbers have the right sign. Positive 1 times negative 4 is negative 4.